Alright, so here we go. Over here is the ice cream machine control and power circuit. You've got your input there, then down here you've got 12 volts from 120. Then here you've got 120 to 100. That takes power to this rectifier, which gives you 100 to 140 volts DC. Then this down here is our signal circuit, which gives us the pulse width modulated signal, which controls the speed of the motor. And then over here we've got basically our power filter circuit, which is taking the 140 from the rectifier and charging two large capacitors, which are basically giving us a good DC signal. We've got various switches and connectors here. We've got a fan, which is going to pull air from the back through the fan to give us some cooling for this MOSFET, which is attached to this large heatsink. Anyway, I'm going to turn it on now. So I've already tested it, but you know, you never know, so I'm crossing my fingers. Okay, so that's, I believe, full speed. I'm going to turn this potentiometer down, and you can hear it, probably see it as well. That's the motor lowest setting. That's about 10%, probably a little less. But as I turn it up, that's full speed, which should be a little less than 1 revolution per second. This is the motor kill switch, which will keep the motor turned off while the capacitors remain connected to power. So that we don't get an inrush current, due to the fact that this little guy down here, which you can hardly see at all, let me see if I can find it. Oh, that's terrible. I give up. Anyway, there's a chip down there that heats up and the resistance decreases so that current can flow. Anyway, that's it for the demo of my ice cream machine. 5 months in the making.